The battlefield has always been a race between speed and survival. From the earliest muskets to today's advanced automatic weapons, one factor has consistently shaped the outcome of combat: rate of fire. The faster a weapon can shoot, the more pressure it puts on the enemy, the more control it gives to the shooter, and the more decisive it becomes in critical moments. But what exactly does higher rate of fire mean, and why has it become such a defining feature of modern warfare? Rate of fire refers to how many rounds a weapon can discharge within a specific period, usually measured in rounds per minute. At first glance, it may seem simple: more bullets fired means more power. But in reality, it's far more complex. A higher rate of fire changes tactics, affects accuracy, influences logistics, and even shapes how soldiers think and react under pressure. Imagine a soldier in a high-intensity combat zone. The difference between firing a single shot every few seconds and unleashing a rapid burst of rounds can mean the difference between holding ground or being overwhelmed. A higher rate of fire allows for suppression, keeping the enemy pinned down, unable to move or return effective fire. This is why machine guns, automatic rifles, and modern assault rifles are designed to maximize this capability. Historically, the evolution of rate of fire has been dramatic. Early firearms like flintlock muskets could barely manage 2 to 3 shots per minute. Soldiers had to reload manually, a slow and vulnerable process. Then came bolt-action rifles, increasing efficiency but still limited by manual cycling. The real revolution began with semi-automatic and fully automatic weapons, allowing continuous firing with minimal interruption. In modern times, weapons like light machine guns and rotary cannons push the limits of what's possible. Some systems can fire hundreds or even thousands of rounds per minute. This overwhelming volume of fire can dominate an area, making it nearly impossible for opponents to advance or even peek from cover. But higher rate of fire isn't just about brute force. It's also about control. Controlled bursts are often more effective than continuous firing. Why? Because accuracy matters. When a weapon fires too rapidly, recoil increases, causing shots to spread and reducing precision. Skilled operators learn to balance speed with control, using short bursts to maintain effectiveness while conserving ammunition. Ammunition consumption is another critical factor. A weapon with a high rate of fire can empty its magazine in seconds. This creates logistical challenges. Soldiers must carry more ammunition, resupply becomes more frequent, and running out of bullets at the wrong moment can be fatal. Military planners must carefully balance firepower with sustainability. Heat is another hidden challenge. Firing rounds rapidly generates intense heat within the weapon's barrel. If not managed properly, this can lead to overheating, reduced accuracy, or even weapon failure. That's why many high-rate-of-fire systems include cooling mechanisms, interchangeable barrels, or firing limits to prevent damage. Despite these challenges, the advantages of a higher rate of fire are undeniable. In close-quarters combat, speed is everything. The ability to quickly engage multiple targets gives soldiers a significant edge. In defensive situations, rapid fire can create a wall of bullets that deters enemy advances. In offensive operations, it allows units to push forward while keeping opponents suppressed. Modern warfare has also introduced advanced technologies that enhance rate of fire capabilities. Electronic firing systems, improved materials, and precision engineering have made weapons more reliable and efficient than ever before. Some systems even allow operators to adjust the rate of fire depending on the situation, switching from slow, controlled shots to rapid bursts when needed. However, there's a psychological aspect as well. The sound of rapid gunfire can be intimidating. It creates chaos, confusion, and fear. This psychological impact can disrupt enemy coordination and morale, giving a strategic advantage beyond just physical damage. It's important to understand that higher rate of fire doesn't always mean better performance. In some situations, precision and discipline are more important than sheer volume. Snipers, for example, rely on accuracy rather than speed. Even standard infantry units are trained to use their weapons efficiently, not just rapidly. Every bullet counts, and wasting ammunition can be a serious mistake. Training plays a crucial role in mastering high rate of fire weapons. Soldiers must learn recoil control, target acquisition, and firing discipline. Without proper training, a high rate of fire can become a disadvantage, leading to missed shots and wasted resources. With proper training, however, it becomes a powerful tool that enhances combat effectiveness. Another interesting aspect is how different military forces approach this concept. Some prioritize high-capacity automatic weapons for overwhelming firepower, while others focus on precision and controlled engagement. The balance between these approaches often reflects broader military doctrines and strategies. In recent years, the concept of higher rate of fire has extended beyond traditional firearms. Advanced weapon systems, including aircraft-mounted cannons and automated defense systems, operate at incredible speeds. These systems are designed to respond instantly to threats, providing rapid and decisive action in critical situations. But with great power comes responsibility. The use of high rate of fire weapons must be carefully controlled to minimize unintended damage. Rules of engagement, target identification, and situational awareness are essential to ensure that firepower is used effectively and responsibly. Looking ahead, the future of rate of fire will likely be shaped by emerging technologies. Directed energy weapons, smart ammunition, and AI-assisted targeting systems could redefine how we think about speed and efficiency in combat. Instead of simply firing more rounds, future systems may focus on delivering precise, effective hits with minimal waste. Yet, the fundamental principle remains the same. Speed matters. The ability to deliver fire quickly and effectively can change the outcome of a battle in seconds. Whether it's a soldier on the ground, a vehicle-mounted system, or an advanced defense platform, higher rate of fire continues to be a key factor in modern military operations. So the next time you hear the rapid burst of gunfire in a military context, remember, it's not just noise. It's a carefully engineered balance of speed, control, power, and strategy. It represents decades of innovation and adaptation, all aimed at giving one side the crucial advantage in the most demanding situations. In the end, higher rate of fire is more than just a technical specification. It's a symbol of how warfare has evolved, faster, more intense, and more complex than ever before. And as technology continues to advance, this race for speed will only continue, shaping the future of combat in ways we are only beginning to understand.